Welcome the our channel. Today we how to withdraw user behavior from Hotjar into Notion, full guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Hotjar website. Log into your Hotjar account using your credentials. Once logged in, go to the recording section on the left sidebar. Here, you will see a list of user recordings. Identify the recordings you want to analyze for user behavior. Click on the recording to open it. Take notes on specific behaviors you observed during the recording. Next, open a new tab and go to the Notion website. Log in to your Notion account. Navigate to the page where you want to store your user behavior insights. Create a new database or table for organizing your notes. In the database, add relevant properties such as date, user action, and insights. Return to your Hotjar recording notes. Transfer each observation into the corresponding fields in your Notion database. Make sure to include as much detail as possible for better analysis. If needed, add tags or categories to your entries for easier sorting later. Continue this process until all relevant recordings are documented in Notion. Once you have entered all observations, review the entries for accuracy. You can now analyze user behavior using your organized notes in Notion. Feel free to customize the layout or add additional properties as needed. This will help you synthesize insights more effectively for your projects. You are now ready to utilize the user behavior data stored in Notion for your next steps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.